Connecting Ecwid to Aliexpress allows you to automate your dropshipping business efficiently. Follow these steps to set up the integration. Create accounts. Ensure you have accounts on both Ecwid and Aliexpress. Use a dropshipping app. To connect Ecwid to Aliexpress, you need a dropshipping app like DSers or Oberlo. These tools allow you to import products from Aliexpress to your Ecwid store. Install the dropshipping app. Go to the app's website and sign up or log in. Follow the prompts to install the app, ensuring it integrates with Ecwid. Connect to Ecwid. In the dropshipping app, navigate to the Settings or Integration section. Find the option to connect to Ecwid. You will need to provide your Ecwid store URL and API key, which can be found in your Ecwid dashboard under Settings General. Import products from Aliexpress. Use the dropshipping app to browse and import products from Aliexpress. You can edit product titles, descriptions, and pricing before importing them into your Ecwid store. Manage orders. Once integrated, any orders placed in your Ecwid store can be fulfilled through the dropshipping app, allowing for automatic processing and shipping.